definition represents the photosynthesis process. As you can see, CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and H2O, which is water, enter the plant. Later, the plant synthesizes these two molecules to create glucose and oxygen. This diagram represents the inside of a stroma. There are two symbols that symbolize the sunlight entering the plant. Once light has hit the chlorophylls, H2O will be needed through the roots of the plant. The two things circled in the diagrams are proteins with chlorophylls inside. Together, these two circled items are called photosystems. Once light has been received in the proteins, the first thing is that light is used to power the movement of an electron through the electron transport chain. Eventually, the electron will reach NADPH. Later, water will be split. As you may know, when you split a water molecule, you'll get an oxygen molecule that will later fuse out of the cell.
Powered by the introduction of light into the plant, the electrons move through the electron transport chain. When an electron passes through protein, protons get pumped to the inside of the plant and positive charge gets built up in the inside, too. All of that positive energy goes out through a protein called ATP synthase, making another ATP.
Photosynthesis is really important for human beings for several reasons. The first one is that this is the process plants make their own food, and when we eat these plants or the animals that ate the plant, we're getting part of the fiber in building materials. Another reason is that it helps the plants that are later used to make medicine. Also, photosynthesis is important for us because it takes carbon dioxide, which we released into the air by respiration, cars, burning trees, etc., and then it converts it to usable oxygen that we can use.
Why is photosynthesis important to life on Earth? It is important because photosynthesis lets all living organisms on Earth breathe. It is a process that cells have to go through to convert sunlight and CO2 into oxygen and glucose. If there were no photosynthesis, then all living organisms would die of suffocation. If photosynthesis didn't occur, then no plants would exist, then animals and humans would not be able to eat. This cycle would cause the extinction of all living organisms.